make sure y'all drinking y'all water. And that's on period. But what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be putting my hair into my infamous puffs. Well, my puffs that I do on my hair. So I'm just going in with my water bottle, my moisturizer of choice. So I'm using the Lotta Body Moisturize Me. And then I'm going to be going in with my Eco Styler gel and my grapeseed oil, of course. So what I'm going to do is use this scarf to like push my hair into like a puff, just so I can do my edges. So in this video, I'm going to be styling my hair into two separate puffs. So one's going to be like a free puff, but you'll be able to see that like a free puff, and then one is going to be like a more uptight, a tighter puff, if that makes sense. But you'll be able to see in the video. So this very first puff that I'm doing is going to be one of my like looser puffs that I typically do if I'm not like going anywhere, if I don't want to, just, this is my lazy puff. That's what I'm gonna call it, the lazy puff. So right here, I'm just going in with that water to like loosen up my hair, add a little, well, make it easier for me to, brush those products into my hair. So once I lather my hair with that water, I'm just going in with a couple pumps of that moisturizer, and I'm just going to put that all on the perimeter of my hair. And I'm going to work this in because, as you can see, my hair right now is probably in an old wash and go or a twist out. So it's kind of on the drier side. So, but for this puff, I'm just really focusing on my edges right now, like, yeah, the edges. So I'm just gonna brush in that moisturizer into my hair, of course trying not to brush my puff, well, the ends of my hair, because I don't want it to be frizzy. I want it to stay as defined as it is right now, which is why I put that clip in my hair, because I kept snagging my hair. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go in with that brush and brush in that moisturizer into my hair. So once I finish that, I'll be back. Okay, so now that I finished brushing in that moisturizer, I am going to go on my grapeseed oil. And this, not only does it, of course, moisturize, well, add oil to my hair, of course, but it really helps. This combination with the uh the Eco Styler gel, let me tell you about the waves, okay? So like the waves is here now. But when I throw the top off right there with that Eco Styler, I be doing something. So I'm just gonna go with that Eco Styler. And let me tell y'all, I'm not one of those people who's afraid. Ooh. Okay. I'm not one of those people who's afraid to use too much product. I'm actually more on the heavier side when it comes to using products. So I'm about to go in with this gel. If you can't tell already, look how much gel I have. Okay. And I went back for more. Like, I am going in with this gel, and I'm just going to push that back as far as I can without bringing it too far, because I am doing, of course, the lazier puff right now. And then I'm just going to go around the whole perimeter of my hair with that gel. And then I'm just going to brush that in. But I'm really working that gel into my hair like I did on my my slick ponytail. I also put that video in the iCard above right now. So y'all can see that. But yes, look, check me out. Waves on Slim, so they hate on him. Period. So go back in with that brush, and I just brush that gel in, of course, because you do want it to be smooth. So I'm just brushing it, but I'm really like, you see how I'm doing like swoops, kind of like that's the way that I want my hair to go into the puff. Like I want it to form into the puff a certain type of way. So that's why I do that way. But yeah, so I'm just going in with that brush and working in that product into that brush. So with the lazy puff that I'm doing, this is the very first puff that I'm doing. I just use a bigger ponytail scrunchie. I think that's what it's called. So I just use one of the extra large ponytail scrunchies, as you can see right there. And I just, put it on, try not to kill myself because, which I almost did. Look at me, choking. I can't breathe, for real. So I'm just putting that in my hair, and I'm just going to start pushing it back. So, mind you, I'm about to show y'all the lazy puff. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just pushing it to where it's, holding back my hair, but not too tight to where it's tight. If that makes sense. Yeah, I'm really going to work on like writing these like a script or something because I don't be knowing what I be talking about once I start. Like, I feel like my wording is always so terrible. But okay, so this right here is the lazy puff. This is just very relaxed. The hair's everywhere. It's giving me a lot of volume, giving me a lot of hair, honestly. Like, that's really what it's giving me. So this is that puff, but of course I'm just about to put some, I think I put some oil on it. Yeah, I did off camera, but I put some oil on it and then I fluffed it a little bit. But this right here is the lazy puff. So what I'm about to show y'all now is the second one, and this is my like puff. This is my go-to puff. Especially like if I'm going out somewhere and I don't feel like doing my hair, this is that puff. So right here, I'm just going in with the old tennis shoe, a shoestring that I have, and I just cut it because it was in a knot. So what I'm doing is I'm pulling. Okay, so I have it to the back of my neck, right? Boom. So with this, you start to work up from the back because the back is typically harder to, I don't know how to say it. So this is my issue. You see? So now I'm showing y'all I just crossed the shoestring in the front like a tennis shoe. And then I'm pushing the string up, tightening it by pulling them strings, pushing it up, tightening it in the front so that, I don't know. Anyways, it's a puff. So I just pull the strings till my hair is all the way in the front. And I just pull out my hair, of course, because you want it to be as big as possible, what I do. And then I'm just going to cross them in the back, not tying it in a knot. And then I'm just going to tuck away those strings. And yeah, so now we're at the fun part. We're finna go in, slay these edges real quick. Well, these baby hairs, you can't have a puff without baby hairs. I mean, you can, but for this one, I'm going in with my Eco Styler again, and I'm going to swoop the mess out of my baby hairs, okay? Like, when I say swoop the mess out of them, like, swoop them. Like, they finna be like, swoop, there it is. Yes, swoop. I'm swooping them baby hairs. Do you see what I'm saying? I told you I was swooping. I thought I was playing. Okay, so once I finish my baby hairs, I'm going to actually show y'all how I pick my hair for my puff. So I'm picking my hair so that it can give it some more volume, because I typically like a really big puff. I love a big puff because it shows that, I have really pretty hair, because I do. But I just want to, bring it out. So I'm going in with my big comb because I couldn't find my pick. And I am just going, okay, how do I explain this one? So I'm going in, not at the root because, of course, my hair is already in that, after. I'm going in with my big comb and I'm just pulling my hair up, if that makes sense. So I'm grabbing a little bit of it and then going in with that big comb, and I'm just pushing my hair up to give it some more volume. So I'm just pushing my hair. So I'm doing like, it was a pull and a push method. And then I just pull my hair some more with my fingers when I'm finished. And then I just shape it with my hands to the style that I want. So now I'm just going back in with that scarf that I used at the beginning to actually set my edges and my baby hairs. So I just put that scarf on for about 10 minutes. Yeah, typically about 10 minutes, and then, or it depends, if I have to do my makeup, I do my makeup, then I take it off. But typically, if I'm not wearing any makeup, I'll just put it on for a couple minutes and then take it off, and then I'll be set and ready to go. But so yeah, so this is about the end of the video. Once I take the scarf off, which I didn't record, sucks to suck. But like I said, this is the end of the video. So I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Yes, I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, and I'm so excited. So hopefully when I post this video, I'm at 1,000. But hey, thank you so much for your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And yes, I hope y'all continue to support me and like my videos. But yeah, that's about it. That's all I got today. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video and leave a nice comment. But yeah, so bye.